We will be demonstrating the sentence production program for aphasia. Gabby will act as the clinician and Natasha will act as the patient. The goal of this program is to increase syntactic complexity with 8 different sentence types. Each sentence has 2 levels of difficulty. Each session is designed to increase the syntactic complexity. The stimulus book that you see on the right is what is used during the session. It includes a picture that corresponds to the probe on the other side. There are 8 sentence types included in the stimulus book, and each sentence has 15 items. When the patient gets both the level A and level B probe correct, the clinician will continue on to the next sentence type. The first 2 sentence types are imperative transitive and imperative intransitive. Imperative transitive verbs are action verbs that don't have a direct object receiving the action. For example, eat, look, listen, or just let's eat. Intransitive verbs are action verbs plus direct objects. For example, let's eat pie.
Okay, let's get started. I'm going to tell you about 3 families. You don't have to remember their names or anything like that, but I want to introduce them to you before we start. This is the Smith family. The father, Frank, is a carpenter. His wife, Angela, is a lawyer. They have a teenage daughter, Lisa, and a son named Nick, and also a dog. This is the Perry family. The mother, Ginny, is a teacher. Her husband, Charles, is a doctor. They have a teenage daughter named Shauna and a son named Billy. All right, now you'll hear a series of stories about these people. We constructed stories in a way to help you communicate messages. Here we go with the first set of stories. So this is working on sentence type 1, imperative intransitive. Nick's school bus arrives in 15 minutes and Nick is still asleep, so his mother tells him, "Wake up." What does his mother say?
Wake up.
Good. Nick's school bus arrives in 15 minutes and he is still asleep, so what does his mother tell him to do?
Wake up.
Great job. Lisa is training the Smith's dog to stop jumping on people, so she points to the floor and says, "Sit." What does Lisa say to the dog?
Stay.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Billy wants to go play before he finishes his supper, so his mother says, "Drink your milk." What does his mother say?
Drink your milk.
Good. Billy wants to go play before he finishes his supper, so what does his mother tell him to do?
Drink your milk.
Okay, good job. Frank is reading the paper and the telephone is ringing and ringing, so he says to his daughter, "Answer the phone." What does Frank say to his daughter?
Answer the phone.
Good job. Frank is reading the paper and the telephone is ringing and ringing, so what does he say to his daughter?
Answer the phone.
Great job. So that is all we're going to do today. Thank you for watching.